Hi there! In this part, we are going to learn bottom navigation bar and completed tasks move to the completed task tab. So, let's begin with creating new Dart file for tab screen. Just now, create stateless widget. This tab screen will be our main screen and we should add it to App Router, so create its ID. And also, in the main file, change home property to tab screen. Now, we should make big changes. First, move this add task function for tab screen. Create scaffold and app bar. And also, move actions. Insert drawer. And at the moment our body is test screen. Later we'll make it dynamic to change the tabs. Last movement. Cut the floating action button. And paste it here. And it's time to create bottom navigation bar. At first, we set bottom navigation bar properties manually. Just make current index 0. Leave on tab empty. And now, we create bottom navigation bar items. First, we have pending task tab. Set its icon in label. Second, Complete Task tab. Third, Favorites Task tab. Let's test it. It's working, but looks bad because of the two app bars. We cannot go back My Tasks because haven't changed task screen ID into tab screen ID in the app router yet. Now it's working. So, let's remove scaffold widget in the task screen, because we already have scaffold widget in the main widget tree. I meant the tab screen. Now it looks better. And it's time to set up the navigation bars. So, change this task screen name into pending task screen. And create two new additional files for complete tasks and favorite tasks. and convert pending task screen into status widget. Other screens also the same, so copy this pending task screen elements and paste it into completed task screen and favorite task screen. Now go to tab screen and we'll complete tab's movement part. We have 3 tabs and 3 different app bar titles, so create list of maps. And in the map, key is string and value is dynamic, because we have different type of values. So first key is page name, and its value is task screen object. Next key is title and its value is string type. That's why we did the value dynamic. Next, create a variable for selected page index. And here, in current index, set the selected page index. And on top, we update the selected page index. In order to update it, we need stateful widget. Convert it into stateful widget. And now we can use setState function. Just place this in the setState. Now we can change the body according to the selected page index. Just go to body, and in the page details, first we'll put index and page name, which is the key of the map. With the same way we can change the app bar title. Let's test it. Click the different tabs and it's working perfect. So, next thing we need to fix is that if we create a task, it will be seen in every tabs because here in every page we are providing with all tasks, which is not good. Let's separate them. Go to block state. Press F2 and rename all tasks into pending task. Press Alt plus Shift plus down arrow key to duplicate the line and rename it. We need completed tasks and favorite tasks. So add the completed tasks and favorite tasks everywhere like I'm doing here. Task state is ready. Next, we need to update the task block file. First, on Add Task, just emit the other state tasks. And when we click the checkbox, it means our task is done, so it needs to be removed from pending task and moved into completed task. Now, we don't need to index of the task. And before updating, we get initial pending task and completed task list from the state. If the task is done is false, we write more than one line code. So, wrap it with curly brackets. Let's imagine, if we mark this task as done, it should be removed from here. It needs to be moved to completed task. So, we'll write its code. First, we remove. And insert the completed task as we use copy with to mark it as done. Next, we do vice versa. When we uncheck the task, we remove from completed task and add it to pending task. Don't forget to mark is done false. And emit the lists. Next, on the late event, just emit state tasks themselves. And on the remove task event, remove it from everywhere. We don't need to check if it's pending task or other. Next, go to completed tasks. And here change this completed tasks. The same with favorite tasks. We're almost done. Let's test it. Add some tasks. Mark task 2 as done. And it's here, in completed tasks tab. If you have any questions or if you don't understand any part of the tutorial, write down and feel free to ask in the comment section. And let's change the text here to see how many tasks are pending and how many tasks are completed. And do the same in the drawer. And now, everywhere we can see how many pending tasks and how many completed tasks we have. One more thing to change is that change pending tasks tab icon. Next, we need this floating action button in the pending tasks tab only. So let's make disappear it on the other tabs. Go to tab screen. And here, check the condition. If page index is 0, it shows floating action button. Otherwise, it's null. Let's check it. It's working. Thank you for watching. Ta-ta for now. See you in the next part.